So this is an Echo 271, and we're going to replace the fuel and oil tank, which is a one-piece system. That's it. Oil and fuel, and literally, okay, so everything is connected to this thing. So I've got to remember, and honestly, I don't know if I'm going to be able to, but every single little part connected to that thing. I just got the flywheel clutch off. That's the muffler. Anyways, this is scary. The shop was going to charge us $300. That's the value of the saw, so it's 50 or 60 bucks for this. And if we can't do it, the saw was $300, so I'm not going to pay $300 to get it fixed. So let's see if I can get it back together. There's the carburetor. Everything's really dirty, so should clean all that up too. We always ask them to make it tighter and smaller as far as the unit goes. This is the oiler. It comes in from the oil tank here. Let's take that band off, that clamp. I just pulled this off, which is like the tip of the oiler that keeps the cord in. So we've got to keep all this stuff separated as we do it. So now that we removed that, this will come out and like pull that out. Okay, so got that out of the hole. That's, we gotta put all this back, and we have to make sure none of this shows up in the motor, carburetor, intake, whatever. Otherwise, that's going to be a problem. So I'm going to get this clip off, and then I can take this off and place it on this saw. And the way you get the...
Hi, Michael. I've got an estimate here for your
chainsaw screw
chainsaw. So to replace the fuel tank and the air filter latch and the cushion for the latch,
tightened against each other,
it's a pretty involved repair, so it's a little labor intensive. I would have to order the parts, and we'd be looking at a total repair bill of $285.
Spin out.
Give me a call back and let me know if you'd like to do that.
Almost back together. Almost isn't good enough, right? Clutch on. So I'm stuck at this one because one of these hoses goes in there. So I'm thinking that this one goes to that one, and this one goes back in the fuel tank. Oh yeah, there you go, it's a plunger. So that one plunges, this one goes back into the fuel tank. And then this one, yeah, I think, okay. Yeah, gotta figure out the fuel hoses, but that'll be okay. So far I have no extra parts, but I'm expecting one or two. We'll see. And the other thing I'm curious about is when I opened it up, this was cracked. So not sure, I don't think that'll affect it. I think what that's doing is it's bringing air in, cooling off the engine, the motor. So it should be fine. We'll see. Okay, carburetor intake boot has to be put on first, and it's going to go through this and then screw down. So we got to get this handle on. Put that where it goes in order, otherwise we're going to have to take things off again. It's ridiculous. Okay. Back together with a new fuel tank.